User entered your channel. User disconnected from your channel. User left your channel.
Oh, Leckler, I got you some gear, man.
User entered your channel.
Finally, I got his head. Holy crap. Hey, Leckler, I'm coming and I'll give you. Go, Leckler. Get Finners to fix it. Oh, GG. Okay, that's good. That's good. This is all good. Mine these blocks, mine this block, and don't mine anymore. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, you did perfect. No, I can't hear you because you can't talk in this channel. I know you can hear me because I'm Cosmonaut, so I get I'm allowed to talk in these channels.